Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna be working with the Q. Actually gonna be taking the headlights out so I can get them custom, because looking a little basic. I don't like them. And I've actually never taken the bumper out. I've watched a couple videos of how to do it, but I don't know. So I guess we'll see how it goes. Shouldn't be too bad. So we got a 10 here. Rip. And then don't make fun of me, but for those little clips I don't have the fancy tools for it, so I'm just gonna use a flathead because I don't care. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So took that out. Now we have all this weight reduction though. I need some colder intakes soon. Those look crusty. And let's pull this shit out right here. And it had a little bolt right here, right there. And we have another one somewhere over here. Oh, this one. And I know there's one like on this corner here. So yeah, this should be fun. Hopefully I don't break anything, because it's usually how it goes. I end up breaking something because I'm stupid like that. So let's see. So I'm at a point where I didn't want to have to go here, but like everything's already off on the top and everything. Like it's loose, but there's the under tray, whatever the fuck. It's like a plastic on the bottom that holds the bumper on there. So I'm gonna have to jack the car up and loosen them up so I can take the bumper out, because I already took the bolt from here. It's like this one here, had another one there, and like on the side. And that, I mean, it's the first time I take this out, so I don't know if it has 3 or 4 of them. So I'll just go ahead and take the whole thing off before I break something, because I know myself and I'm stupid like that. So yeah, so I finally got this side out. There was this little fucker right here that was making my life miserable. So over here it will be like all the way in there. See how I get through it? Right down there. I don't know if you can see it. That guy right there? That one? Yep. Little bitch. But yeah, hopefully I won't ever have to take this thing off again. I was a BS and I had to take these things off, so it will release the rest of the bumper on the bottom. But yeah, we're getting somewhere finally, and we got like 1,000 rocks in there between the lip and the bumper. So hopefully I will never have to take that off either. I'll eventually probably just take the bumper off and get it repainted, because it has a lot of rock chips and all that cheese. But I'll have to get another daily to actually do that. So not yet, not yet. Well guys, I already took them out so you can see. Now I'm just gonna have to send them, and I'll continue this video once I get them back though. I'm pretty stoked for it though. I know they're gonna look freaking amazing, and it'll give the whole car a different look. So definitely looking forward to that. So I'll see you guys next clip. What's going on, guys? So it's been I think it's like 2 weeks since the last clip, because I sent them and then they didn't get them till like a week later. Then he got them, did the job in like 2 days, and then sent them right back. So I just received them, liking them. They are definitely gonna give the car a whole different look. So all I did was, I told him to do just get the honeycomb, like black out the whole housing, do the frost white moon thingamajigger here, half moon, and then the white eyebrow with the demon eye. So gonna go ahead and put that stuff on there because I mean I've missed driving this thing, to be honest with you. It's been like 2 whole weeks of just driving that. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love that car, but it gets boring after a while. So let's go ahead and get to the fun stuff. So I just finished putting everything back together. I did, since it was just the Demon Eye, I just put it under here, under the plastic. You can see right here. Connected the positive straight to the battery, and then found the ground right here. And that was simple. And put the other cable through here. That way it's somewhat clean. It's not showing everywhere. And that's how it looks. It's a little bright out still, but I'm satisfied how it looks. Gives it a whole different look to the car, and it's clean. But yeah, I mean, the hardest thing was just taking the bumper out, because it has screws everywhere, and then it has the undershroud, which makes it a whole nother pain. But so you guys can see it. Let me know if you like it. I do. I'm pretty stoked. I don't think I really want to do anything else to the car other than like probably black out the trim maybe later on, but as of now it's looking good, so it'll do for now at least. Yep. So let us know if you guys like it. If you do, make sure you leave us a like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one.